Thank you for tapping back in, gang. It's your boy called Chris and music.
Who are the suppliers behind Salomon, Timberland, New Balance, Adidas, Nike, la 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 la? First, Baotong Factory, one of the world's largest OEM sports shoe manufacturer. It is like a Foxconn in the shoemaking industry. During its heyday, it has over 100,000 employees in just one of its factories in Dongguan. What even surprised me is that it owns an independent brand called YY Sport. It's like a distributor for sports shoes like Nike and Adidas, same as like Foot Locker in America and JD Sports in England. Second, Huajian Group. It is one of the largest OEM manufacturer for leather shoes in China. On the other hand, Huajian mainly offer the OEM service towards those big brands like Gucci, Tory Burch, Co.
Demon back here with another video for y'all. Today's video, like I was seeing, I got that Dior. But I do have a classic pair of B22s for y'all to review from my good friends, you feel me? One of my go-tos, a really good sneaker company in my opinion. I got a pair of trainers for them a while back and I will beat them bitches up until I sold them. You feel me? Like, I love them pairs. Today we have a pair of sneakers that y'all been asking me about, the B22s. You feel me? You feel me? Oh my God. Obviously I wear all my shoes before I review them, guys, but still, I fucking love this pair. You feel me? Let's go ahead and review these sneakers and check out if these are legit or not. Right off the back, after you have the box right there, the box is nice and clean, the tag right there for you. Let's get right into the sneakers, man. I wore these probably once. See the bottom, they don't look too worn, but I love these, you feel me? The Dior B22 is just a classic designer sneaker. It goes with anything, in my opinion. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, and really comfortable. So shout out Most VIP for getting that shit right. So right off the bat, you have the bottom right there. You have the CD, the Christian Dior in the middle of the sole right there for you. You can check that out. Just that big ass midsole with the Dior right there. It just hits differently. It gives you that extra height boost. I'm about 6'4" in these, you feel me? 6'5". I could go into the league wearing these hoes. The Dior on the outer of the shoe looks absolutely amazing. It's a very simple silhouette, but it's mostly leather and mesh upper, so that's perfect. I've reflected that goes throughout the upper into the heel is correct. The only other difference right here, of course, is some leather, but there's a little bit of suede on that toe box. The suede feels great, it's buttery, if I say so myself. There's only a little bit of Dior branding and logos on here, so let's go ahead and look into it. You have the Dior right there, like I mentioned before, and then going into the inside, you have Dior as well. Inside, you have the tags. Tagging look pretty good. And man, cannot complain. Laces is just this nice little bungee laces throughout these hoops on the eyelets is correct. So the eyelets and this right here into the heel are reflective. Into that heel, on the heel you have this little heel tab which is reflective as well. So simple, and that reflective goes around the heel all the way right here as well. So I'm gonna pop up the pricing for y'all so I can see that you are getting a really good deal on these, in my opinion. Especially for a pair of designers that are comfortable and they look good one-to-one. They are solid. They are reflective. I think that's probably one of my favorite parts about this sneaker. It's all black, but the reflectives, it just hits so differently. So that's about it for these. These honestly look amazing in my opinion. There's not much details to go over. I love the black colorway. I love the silhouette, in my opinion. Dior has been killing trainers, like for real, like the 30s, the CDs, whatever. Them bitches hit. I need those, for real. Enough said about these. Let's go ahead and see what these look like on feet, gang. And yeah.